Hello viewers, today we will discuss Newton's third law in electrodynamics. This is encountered that Newton's third law become a big disaster in electrodynamics, which I want to clear with example. Consider consider a charge q is coming along y-axis with the velocity v, and another charge q is coming along the x-axis with the velocity, say this is v1 and this is v2. So as these charge q1 and q2 are coming along the axis and along the y-axis, it is sure that they will repel each other when they are coming towards the origin, but somehow we maintain the same direction and the same speed of both of them, and that time the electrostatic repulsion in between them uh, by q1 on q2, say fq2 f2 f1 by 1 on 2, and the electrostatic repulsion by 2 on 1 is f1, which is simply electrostatic repulsion. These both charges are moving. As this charge is moving, the magnetic field on this charge is in this direction, perpendicular inside v1, and the magnetic field due to this q2 charge on charge q1, this can easily be known by the thumb rule. Okay, so this is in our side v2. Now the force on this charge by this magnetic field will be perpendicular to the v1 and v2, so it will be like this. Say this is magnetic force, and the magnetic force here is perpendicular like this. The net electromagnetic force on q1 and q2 it is equals but not opposite to the force of q2 on q1. Okay, these both forces, the net magnetic force, say this one, and here is this one, the net magnetic force is equal in both the cases, but they are just in the opposite direction. So here this is a clear violation of the third law. As the proof of conservation of momentum follows the third law, which means the third law is putting the conservation of momentum in danger. But it is nothing to be scared out here, because momentum conservation is rescued in electrodynamics by the realization that fields themselves carry momentum. Momentum conservation is rescued in electrodynamics by the realization that the fields carry momentum. So there is nothing to worry about that, but this is interesting to know that, and you also know that in electrodynamics third law is of Newton is not valid, whereas in electrostatic and magnetostatics it is. Thank you.